Namaste. Sutra 1.12 Abhyasa Vairagyabhyam Tannirodha. Abhyasa Vairagya Nirodha. Here Maharshi is trying to tell us the stopping of those vrittis now by repeated practice of Vairagya. Maharshi describes two methods for stopping the flow of chitta vrittis, abhyasa and vairagya. Abhyasa means persistent practice, repeated practice. Abhyasa also means self-introspection. Abhyasa also means looking within. Abhyasa also means studying continuously. So, consistently doing something is known as abhyasa, persistent practice. Vairagya. Let's understand. Vairagya is made from two words, viraga. Raga comes from the word ranga, depicting this colorful world. Viraga, disconnecting from this world, is Vairagya. Vairagya, if you ask, most of the people in India would say sannyasi takes up Vairagya. Here, Vairagya is anything which is not raga. Raga is attachment. So, connecting or attaching yourself is raga, and detaching yourself, disconnecting, is viraga. So, withdrawing yourself from that color is viraga. Freedom from raga and dvesha. Here, raga and dvesha, why? We will learn about raga and dvesha in the next chapter, but raga is attachment, and anything which you desire and you don't get gives you a sense of a anger or a dislike within. That is dvesha. Freedom from these two, raga and dvesha, is vairagya. So, understanding what Maharshi is trying to tell us, he says abhyasa and vairagya are the first things one should master. So, meditation follows easily. Persistent practice of something and detachment. Here, detachment, he does not mean don't get involved. I remember one of the books which I have read from one of the very old authors. He said, you have to be absorbed in the world but not entangled. You have to live in the world but not get caught up. So, be there in the world but don't get caught up. Involve yourself but don't get entangled. Involvement has to be there. You can't say I am superficial and I am going to stay afloat. Yes, we try, all of us try our best, but doing the thing with detachment, that is vairagya. I hope abhyasa and vairagya is understood. Nirodha, we have used the word rodha, block, stop. Nirodha, so stopping of that five vrittis by persistent practice and vairagya. Namaste.